Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. How's your day going? Let me know in the comments down below. Mine's going okay. I kind of damaged my Achilles over the weekend, so I'm on crutches for a little bit. It's not a complete rupture, so it's not too bad. Anyway, I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways because I do a lot here. I love giving back to you guys who have helped me along the way. So I've got a couple different giveaways going on right now. I put links for all of those in the description box down below. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So because it's my birthday month, feeling a little extra special, I did a palette that has cheek products and eye products in that for you. And we're doing the Balm in the Balm of Your Hands Greatest Hits Volume 2. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video. Talks about how to enter this one. Now, we hit 400. Yay! So, 400 subscribers. So I have been telling you guys that I was putting stuff aside for this giveaway. So I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to enter. We're gonna switch things up on how to enter it just a little bit. And I have already started setting some really cool stuff aside for our 500 subscribers. So help us get there. We'll do a big giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers. So, because it's the 400th one, we're giving away not one makeup bag, not 2 makeup bags, not 3 makeup bags, but because it's 4, we're gonna do 4 makeup bags. We are going to do the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Saucebox eyeshadow that you could also use as a blush in the shade More Wine. So none of these have been swatched, nothing's going on used, everything's all brand new just for you guys. From Ofra is the Blush Raisin. You could also use this as a contour. From Clinique is a Jonathan Adler collab, and it is a blush in the shade Cupid, and some eyeshadows in the shade Morning Java and Foxier. From J.R. Watkins is their Body Oil Mist. From BRTC is a Vitamin Powder Cleansing Tea Bag in the scent Mandarin and Orange. From Victor and Rolf is a sample of their perfume Sage Spell. From True Luscious is the Camera Powder Invisible Setting Powder. From Feel Renewed is the Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. From Ico is the Fat Eye Stick, and it's kind of like a dark gold. It's intense color and glossy finish. That looks like. From Daily Concepts is the Multifunctional Soap Sponge Charcoal. I've been loving these lately. From Epcot is their Glitter Liquid Lipstick. What a pretty shade for the fall. Here is the Protect and Detangle Leave-In Detangler. From the Too Cool for School is the All-in-One Egg Mellow Cream. It's a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. From Dove is the Exfoliating Body Polish, which is crushed macadamia and rice milk. From Ipsy is the Tetris Ipsy Lip Gloss. Here's what the shade looks like. How pretty for the holidays. Also from Olimar Cosmetics is a gloss in the shade Mother of Pearl. From Clinique, I use this stuff all the time, is their 7-day scrub cream rinse off formula. I do one of these every Sunday night, so I want to share this with you guys. From the Makeup Drop is their Maximum Application Control Sponge. I like it because on this side it has the silicone and the rest is all sponge. From W3 People is their Bio Bronzer Powder in the shade Natural Tan. Moroccan Oil is the Moroccan Treatment, and it's for all hair types. From Ulta Beauty is their Hydrating Face Primer, mineral oil free and paraben free. It's coconut water for hydration. From Manicadar is their Beauty Simplified Step 3. From Jersey Shore Cosmetics is the Star Mint Glossy Balm. From Salon Perfect is the Ready Set Go Brow Kit. It's a custom blend 3 brow shades with an illuminating highlighter. By Carmella is the Silk Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade Aloha. Look how pretty this packaging is. Invisible is the Bye Bye Kinks Traceless Hair Rings, and it's kind of a black color. By Amazing Cosmetics is the Luminant Primer. By R Plus CO is the Rodeo Star Thickening Styling Foam. By Vanity Fair is a compact with also a coupon for 75% off a beauty back bra. By Sephora is their Super Hydrant All Day Hydrator. By Botanic Farms is the Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream. By Aromatherapy Associates is their Body Gel. By Manicadar is their Diamond Dust Pixie. So a ton of things. I'm so excited for you guys. So like I said, we're gonna try something a little bit different this time. What I've decided to do is I've gone ahead and created a Google form, and you can just go in, fill out the form with your name, address, either an email or an Instagram handle. That way, you know, YouTube's not great about letting people know that I replied to their comments. And then, you know, having to wait 48 hours. That way I already have the address. It is very secure. You know, your information is not going to be floating out there. It's just that I have it. I'm not going to do anything with it other than send the prize out to the person who wins. This will go through October 28th. On October 29th, I will use a random comment picker, and I'll pick from the people who have entered it. Also, you know, make sure to leave a comment saying 400, enter me in the comments down below, and you could put whatever else you'd like to put in there as well. So make sure that you have to be a subscriber to this channel. I do check that you're subscribed because I do this for you guys. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, fill out the form, super easy. That way you're not relying on YouTube getting back to you, you know, saying that you won or anything else like that, and then you're missing out when you know, you did win and you didn't get back to me in time. So this way I have your address and your email, and I will just send you a quick email saying, hey, you won, your products are on the way. So I want to thank you guys so much. I do this for you guys. You guys are the world to me. I love you. I enjoy this great, safe community. You know, there's so much drama right now about the beauty community, and I try to keep this as much drama-free and just tell you about the different products. And this is my way of saying thank you, and thank you for supporting me. You know, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys very soon. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.